Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of vow. Solemnly promise to do a specified thing. For example, I vowed that my family would never go hungry. The second definition of vow. Dedicate to someone or something, especially a deity. For example, I vowed myself to this enterprise. American pronunciation. Vow. Vow. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Vow. Say. Vow. Vow means solemnly promise to do specified thing. Vow. Vow. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Medley swimmer Dean Kent is vowing to continue competitive swimming. Now, repeat after me. Medley swimmer Dean Kent is vowing to continue competitive swimming. The second practice. He vowed to continue his appeal against an earlier decision against him. Now, repeat after me. He vowed to continue his appeal against an earlier decision against him.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.